Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Everyone's yesterday work is complete?
No, ma'am.
हाँ जब मैम बता रही थी तो why have you marked in book? उसी समय लिखना था ना, नहीं लिखा. And today I want complete copy work or I'll give 0 in your internals. Don't tell me. Because that was the homework today, right? So now we have seen that your time period is directly proportional to inverse of the length. And we have seen that time is inversely proportional to the under root of acceleration due to gravity. What is G?
Acceleration due to gravity.
Please say your name and then speak.
Ma'am, Hardik. Ma'am,
Okay. Hardik, you
acceleration
have
due to
written your name
gravity.
HA3. Today you have written
Ma'am,
your name
change कर दिया.
HA3. Acha, I thought
Ma'am.
how come who is HA3 in my class? Okay. So this is what becomes. Now there are two things on which time period does not depend. Time period does not depend on the mass of the box or the material of the box. It is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then time period also does not depend upon the amplitude. कि आपका बॉक्स कितना दूर जा रहा है आपके मेन पोजीशन से, दैट इज द एम्पलीट्यूड. तो कितना दूर जा रहा है उस पर भी टाइम पीरियड डिपेंड नहीं करता. ठीक है, ऑलराइट.
Yes, ma'am.
So both things, two things the time period depends upon and two things time period does not depend upon. So both questions can come. Name two factors on which time period depends. Then you have to write this as it is, and two factors on which time period does not depend, as though it seems that it might depend, is this. Okay. Now, so we make our hence the expression. How it comes, it is out of your course. Okay, so it's a good thing. So this is the final expression of time period. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the formula on which maybe 2 or 3 marks question comes. So it's an important formula. Now we come to as seconds pendulum. It also deserves 1 or 2 marks question. So it's a very important thing. The main focal point of this, what is second pendulum, is that time period is 2 seconds. A pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds is a pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds is seconds pendulum. Good morning, ma'am. Okay. Good morning. Where were you, Aviral? And why were you absent? हाँ, good morning, ठीक है. Aviral, where were you? And why were you absent yesterday? I've taught so much. And you haven't even given the audio visual. No one has submitted the audio visual assignment. Should I give 0 to all of you? It's such a task to download a pendulum clock's photo and put it on the group. Such lethargicness. This kind of lackadaisical attitude will not be tolerated in my class. I will straight away give 0. Then don't come running to me, crying, ma'am, weeping and begging for marks. I don't flatter that. Everyone has written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us move to our numericals. So like, let us quickly run through the examples and then we can solve the numericals. Examples, you know why I do the examples? Because I have noticed that majority of questions, even from the question paper coming from Kanpur, has the examples as their questions in the question paper. That is why I have made it a habit to solve the examples first and unsolved numericals later. Because I have seen teachers are giving, even the board has the example as their questions as it is. Maybe the value might be changed, but the questions are as it is. So that is why examples are of prominence in your physics. Even in maths, they are very important. Always remember to go through your examples of your maths copy, book. Understood, everyone? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arohi, can you do me a favor, beta? Arohi,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
take a screenshot of participants and keep it with you. Oh, sorry, send it to me. Okay? Take a screenshot of the participant and send it to me. Now, there's a length of seconds pendulum. So its time period will be 2 seconds. Right? If it's blurred here, keep your book close by. And we know G, and given G is 9.8. Now there's a relation this. We have to make L our subject. I hope everyone knows how to make a subject.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you don't know how this becomes this, please ask your maths teacher. I cannot keep on explaining maths here in the physics class. And then also, if you have problem, ask me. I cannot give my class time to this thing. I can talk to you separately. I'll video call separately and then explain you. Okay. So when you make L our subject, this becomes, and we will substitute our values and we'll get our answer.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I sent you.
Thank you, Arohi. Now we have to compare the time periods of simple pendulum where G is this and G is this. So at G1 is this and G2 is this, right? So as already written here, T is inversely proportional to under root of acceleration due to gravity. So we are writing this. So T is proportional to under root of acceleration due to gravity. So we will write it T1 is to T2 equals G2 is to G1. And then we will substitute the values and we'll get our ratio. कि किसी को नहीं समझ में आया हो तो प्लीज आस्क मी. चलो मैथमेटिक्स also you can ask me. I'll explain. Don't worry. Everyone got this?
Ma'am, please explain it again.
Okay, let me write it. Okay. Sorry, this is an example too. So what is happening? G1 and G2 are given. Please do this question in your copy. Meter per second square. G2 is given as right. Now we know T is inversely proportional to this. So T1 and T2, right? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we are doing, we are dividing them. Okay. So T1 divided by T2 and and 1 by G1 divided by, and when we divide we get equal to instead of the proportionality sign. This is what you should have known. चलो कोई बात नहीं. So 1 by G2. Now we can write T1 upon T2 equals to 1 upon G1, and when we make division sign as multiply, it gets reciprocal. So it becomes G2. So that is how G2 upon G1 came. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now everyone gets this. Now we just have to put the values and we have to solve it and we'll get our answer in the ratio form. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Now similarly for length also, like we have done like this. Make a cloud here and write T1 upon T2. You can learn the formula also if it's a tad bit difficult to solve it. G2 upon G1, because it's inversely proportional, so it gets inversely proportional. T1 T1 G2 G2, T1 G1 T2 G2. And when it's length is directly proportional, so it becomes like this: T1 L1 T2 L2. Okay, make a cloud and write like this, like I have written. So similarly for example 3, you have got this expression. You will just put the value of the length given and then you will solve and you will get the ratio as 1:2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now a simple pendulum, mass is given, length is given, G is given. So with the formula, L is given, G is given. In the formula we will substitute and we'll get the value. Now on changing the mass of the bob, will the time period affect? If we make our bob heavy or lighter, will the time period of the bob depend on the mass of the bob?
Yes, ma'am.
No, we have just written Arohi. Time period does not depend upon the mass and material of the bob. Time period does not depend upon the amplitude of the bob. Of the oscillation. है ना? Just now we have discussed. It might seem that it should depend upon the amplitude कि भाई कितना extreme it is covering, so it should depend. Time taken should depend, but it does not. Why and how are out of your syllabus. ICSE made it out of syllabus. I'm not going to get in that area, but it does not depend upon the amplitude, neither on the mass and neither on the material of the bob. Please learn this right here, right now. And everyone switch on your videos and audios. Everyone should be doing this in their copies, please. Now let us solve our numericals, the unsolved ones. Arohi, please read question number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read
What
question
is
number
this?
1. Sorry.
Ma'am, the first question only, no?
Right.
What is a simple pendulum? Is the pendulum used in a pendulum clock? Simple pendulum? Give reason
The
to the answer.
numericals, beta.
Sorry, I'm reading. A simple pendulum completes 40 oscillations in 1 minute. Find its frequency and time period.
How will you calculate? Anyone, any idea? Can anyone tell me the definition of frequency and time period? Speak your name and start speaking the definition if you know.
Ma'am. Praveen. Ma'am, time period की ma'am this is the time taken to complete the one oscillation, ma'am. और मैम फ्रीक्वेंसी की मैम इट इज अ नंबर ऑफ ऑसिलेशन मेड इन 1 सेकंड.
अच्छा, तो अभी यूनिटरी मेथड सबको आता है? एवरीवन शुड नो यूनिटरी मेथड प्लीज.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what they are saying is, they are saying that what has Praveen told us? Now this is question number 1, numericals, solution. Now it's given that 40 oscillations in 1 minute, right? Now what is frequency? Praveen, please tell us again.
मैम फ्रीक्वेंसी इट इज अ नंबर ऑफ ऑसिलेशन मेड इन 1 सेकंड.
Oscillations in 1 second, right? तो हमें 1 minute दिया हुआ है, हमें 1 second निकालना है. So how will we solve? So this is simple unitary method question. 1 minute, 40 oscillations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is 60 seconds. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 second will be 40 upon 60. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The simple sir. Calculate what will come. Reduce 0 0 cancel, reduce it by 2. It will come 2, it will come 3. What will be the answer? 0.67. 3 2 times not happening. 20 carry decimal 0 carry 20. 18 times 18 6 times 2 carry again 0 6 6 6 6. So we're rounding it off. Okay. So this is our frequency. Hertz or second inverse, whatever you might write. You can write this unit also and this unit also. Both are the units of frequency. Any one you can write. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then comes time period. What is time period, Praveen?
Ma'am, this is the time taken to complete one oscillation. This is the time taken
Okay.
to complete
So again, 40 oscillations in 1 minute. So one oscillation in how many minutes? One 40 oscillations in 60 seconds. So one oscillation is 60 upon 40 seconds, right? Nahi? Put a finger here. Now you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
40 oscillations in 1 minute, so one oscillation in 60 upon 40 seconds, right? It's better a simple unitary method. 40 oscillations in 60 seconds. So one oscillation is 40 upon 60 होगा कि नहीं होगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आना चाहिए बेटा. This is simple unitary method. Nothing else is going on here. बाकी definition तो everyone knows. Praveen has told us very nicely. So we'll cancel 0 0. We'll again cancel 3 and 2. We'll reduce it by 2. And this comes 3 upon 2 seconds. And this is, we all know 3 into half is 1.5 seconds. This is our answer. Right? Now, Praveen has told us so nicely. So Praveen is going to discuss question number 2.
Ma'am, question number 2. The time
Just
period of a simple pendulum is 2 seconds. What is a frequency? What name is given to such a pendulum?
So what is the formula for time period when frequency is given? We all know T is proportional, T is equal to 1 upon F and F is equals to 1 upon T. So we will just put, we have to find out frequency 1 upon 2, 0.5 second inverse, right? And if the time period is 2, what kind of pendulum it is?
Seconds.
If the time period is 2, it is a second pendulum. Very good. Okay. Whatever here I am writing on the copy should be in your copy as well. And I'll upload it on the portal also.
Okay, ma'am.
Now question number 3. It's just like example 2. Two types of gravity is given. G and there's another place जहाँ पे gravity is 1/4, so G by 4. And you have to solve exactly like question number 2. Sorry, example 2. Now question number 4. You have to find the length of the second pendulum at a place where G is given. So it's example, write example 1 nearby. This is write example 1. You are given, you have to find the length. है ना? Just like in example 1, where you have to find the length. So here you have to find the length. You are given G, you are given second pendulum, so you know what is T. What is T for a second pendulum?
Time period. Time period.
I am marking everyone absent and I am going to give it to Jyoti ma'am and principal ma'am. No one has opened their videos and audios. Do I have to tell you it again and again? Invitation देना पड़ेगा. What are you people up to? Should I teach or should I only see that your video is on or off? Don't you get it? Recording is going on. You want trashing, and that will go on the YouTube. So if you want yourself to be respected, follow the instructions properly. And next time I will use such harsh words, it will really be disrespectful for any individual. Neither speaking, neither video is on. Sleeping or what, I don't understand. I'll not discuss the numericals, I'm telling you. What is the time period for second pendulum? अरे बाप रे बेटा, just now I have told time period is 2 seconds for second pendulum. Why are you all sleeping? अभी से पहले का नहीं आता, doesn't matter. अभी जो बताया मैम ने वो तो सुनो. And अभी 2 seconds पहले, 3 seconds पहले मैंने ये repeat करा है. Then also your people are behaving like, I don't know, I don't want to use such harsh words. What will be the time period if it's written seconds pendulum?
2 seconds.
2 seconds. Only one girl is studying. From tomorrow, I'll WhatsApp call her and I will teach her only. All other people, you can sleep. And Avril, I'm going to call your father today. What is the matter with you? I don't understand. Now compare the time periods of two pendulum of length this and this. So this is exactly like example 3. You are given two lengths, L1 and L2, and you can solve it just like we have discussed example 3. Right? You are given two lengths, and you can discuss just as we discussed. So a pendulum completes 2 oscillations in 5 seconds. What is the time? Just like question number 1 as we have done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
जब तक अब सब लोग यस मैम नहीं बोलेंगे, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, 8 and 9. आरोही, you can do that and ask
Yes.
if you have any miss. I'm not discussing now question number 7, 8 and 9. अब करते रहो yes ma'am. I'm not a fool that I'm discussing the numericals here and you people are sitting like morons, completely switching off your audio and video and just shutting your mouth. Not opening your mouth, not telling me anything, whatever I'm asking you. You can leave pages till question number 6 should be in your copy. Okay? Question number 1 and 2 I have done. 4, 5, 6 is your copy. 3, 4, 5, 6 should be in your copy. So you can leave 2 or 3 sides of the pages and you can write another fresh page. Here you can write the definition, write the date and chapter name. Motion in one dimension. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
So yesterday's work was to submit the visual assignments as asked. I have given on the group also. Then too, no one bothered to send me the pictures. And today's work is to do question number 3, 4, 5, 6 as discussed in the class. I have discussed them also. And here you are fighting. Why are you fighting? No one will talk among themselves. Talk to me only on the group. Getting my point? Did I ask you? Hardik, please get rid of this violent streak, I'm telling you. At least he has sent the picture. No one else has bothered, okay? Who is with the name Padma Sharma? Who said you have to explain to Hardik? Tell me. Who is this? Extra intelligent guy. Huh? Aryan? उनको भी नहीं सही होना है, हार्दिक को भी नहीं सही होना है. मैं पढ़ाती नहीं, मैं यही करती हूँ. आई डू दैट दिस इन द क्लास ओनली, है ना. Stop bickering like small children. You are in 9th now. Be mature and be serious and sincere about your studies. And that is a studies group. Do not talk between among yourselves. Okay? No talking among yourselves. And no backbiting. Literally चुगली करना छोड़ दो. I'm telling you, just leave चुगली out of your minds. किसने क्या करा, किसने क्या नहीं किया, this has no concern to you. Don't get bothered about it. आपने पिक्चर डाली, नहीं डाली. Aryan, should I talk to your parents regarding this habit of yours? Or now will you refrain yourself from making such remarks for others' work? Tell me. Big boys, such big boys you are, from such good families. And then also you behave like bickering small children from some public school, somewhere. Okay. Scalar and vector quantities. So this is a new concept for you. Please pay attention. Just going to take scalar and vector only. So scalar quantity has unit and magnitude of a physical quantity. Okay. While vector quantity has unit, magnitude, and direction. Write like I have written, exactly like I have written. Again, your videos are off. There's some inbuilt automatic system कि videos off हो जाती हैं. So examples of it are mass, length, time, density, volume, speed, temperature. Please write with me only. This is not your homework. Do not give time for writing copy in your homework. Just do the homework I've given. Just do that much. Temperature and energy, power, pressure. And many more. Frequency, we have just seen there is no direction. है ना? Now the units which are vector are displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, torque, weight, and many more which are right now out of your syllabus. So these many you should know. Okay? Arohi is present. Right, till then I am taking the attendance. Aryan is present, Abilal is present, Hardik is present, Praveen is present, Ronak, Rishabh is present. Ronak, are you present or absent? And he has left the group also. Why? Anyone knows? Chalo, I'll ask the class teacher. Don't bother. Done with it?
नया नंबर ऐड करवा लिया है ग्रुप पे.
अच्छा. Oh, it is his only new number. Okay, I got it. Now, very important, the presentation of vector quantity. The presentation of vector quantity is, if there is force, we will write F. This is the vector sign. We'll put an arrow on the head of the expression, okay? Like acceleration. We'll write like this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now one more thing. This means it's going in the positive direction, and this means it is going in the negative direction. And what we understand that F vector and minus and F vector are going in different directions. Okay? If this is F, this has to be minus F. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is rest? Can anyone tell me when a body is said to be at rest?
Ma'am, when a body doesn't perform any motion.
No. Now you are in class 9th. Please learn this WRT with respect to. Speak with me. With respect to. A body is said to be at rest when it is at rest with respect to its surroundings. And a body is said to be in motion when it is moving with respect to its surroundings. This is the definition of rest and motion. Okay?